is a blanket soft and white, tucked all around the world outside. It wraps the trees, the hills, the sea, and gently wraps around you and me. The stars are buds and stitched with light across the cloth of velvet night. The moon is threading silver lines, a quilt of dreams by grand design. Sleep beneath the sky so deep, folded in its arms you sleep. No need to fear the dark in you. The night is a blanket made for you. The crickets hum a quiet tune, the wind whispers beneath the moon. Your breath slows down, your dreams unfold inside this cover, safe and bold. Sleep beneath the sky so deep, folded in its arms you sleep. No need to fear the dark in you. The night is a blanket made for you. And when the sun begins to rise, it lifts the quilt from sleepy eyes. You wake to morning bright and new, but the night will always care for you. The crickets hum a quiet tune, the wind whispers beneath the moon. Your breath slows down, your dreams unfold inside this cover, safe and bold. Sleep beneath the sky so deep, folded in its arms you sleep. No need to fear the dark in you. The night is a blanket made for you. And when the sun begins to rise, it lifts the quilt from sleepy eyes. You wake to morning bright and new, but the night will always care for you. Sleep beneath the sky so deep, folded in its arms you sleep. The night is a blanket soft and true, a gift the stars have made